welcome back to our channel Kanak Info Systems. Okay, today we are going to discuss regarding to the e-commerce payment options, some functionalities which is introduced in version 18.0. Okay, so I have just configured here Stripe payment gateway, which is provided defaultly from Odoo. Okay, I have configured it within the test mode. Okay, and here we can see that there are some payment methods: card, bank connect, EPS, GiroPay, P24 and IDL. Okay, so if you click this button, so you can be able to find that there are several activated payment methods which is supported by. Okay, so let's say let's take an example for bank connect payment. Okay, so if we here go to configuration, we can see that it is supported to the Belgium and EUR currencies. Okay, so if someone had an address with a Kuwait, so there is no possibilities to proceed with bank connect. Okay, so let's take an example. Go to e-commerce. Okay, I am adding cart, and okay, so we have a Kuwait address here. So if we go to here, okay, you can find only the card. Okay, and there is no bank connect options. Okay, here is one button which is introduced in 18.0. If you click it, it will shows all the payment providers methods. Okay, payment provider is Stripe because we have enabled one only, so which is supported, and there are payment methods of the Stripe. Okay, so here card is supported, you can see it here. Bank connect not supported. Why? Incompatible country. Okay, EPS incompatible country. Okay, so we have seen that bank connect is supporting Belgium, so let me change the country to Belgium and see if we have something. Okay, there are second reason regarding to the currency. We have seen that bank connect is supported EUR currency, but we are having a USD currency here in our order. So let me just remove these and go to shop, select EUR and adding it into the order Belgium with euro. Okay, you can find the bank connect and card both. If we click it here again, you can find, okay, bank connect is supported. Okay, so here we have a debug button, and with that you can see that, okay, currently for these order details, which are the payment methods which are supported or not, and you will find the reason also. Okay, stay tuned and stay updated with us. Okay, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get a quick notifications regarding to our videos. Thank you.